Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel AglaSem Schools. Today in this video I will be covering chapter 6 of class 10 science, that is life processes. So let's discuss question and answers. Here question number 1 says the kidneys in human beings are a part of the system for. Answer is excretion. Second, the xylem in plants are responsible for. Answer is transport of water. Third, the autotrophic mode of nutrition requires. Answer is all of the above. For the fourth question says the breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water and energy take place in. Answer is mitochondria. Now question number 5 says how are fats digested in our bodies? Where does this process take place? Answer is digestion of fat take place in the small intestine. Bile juice secreted by the liver poured in the intestine along with pancreatic juice. The bile salt present in the bile juice emulsify the large globules of fat. Therefore, by emulsification, a large globules break down into fine globules to provide larger surface area to act upon by the enzymes. Lipase enzyme present in pancreatic juice cause breakdown of emulsified fat. Glands present in the wall of a small intestine secrete intestinal juice which contain lipase enzymes that convert fat into fatty acid and glycerol. Now, question number 6 says, what is the role of saliva in the digestion of food? Answer is, saliva contains salivary amylase enzymes that break down starch into sugar like maltose. Saliva keeps the mouth cavity clean and moistens the food that helps in chewing and breaking down the big pieces of food into smaller ones. Further, question number 7 says, what are the necessary conditions or autotrophic nutrients and what are its byproducts? Answer is, the necessary conditions for autotrophic nutrients are: first, present on chlorophyll in the living cells. Second, provision of supply of water to green plants or cells of a plant. Third, sufficient sunlight. Fourth, sufficient supply of carbon dioxide. And byproduct of autotrophic nutrient is oxygen. Now, question number 8 says, what are the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration? Name some organisms that use the anaerobic mode of respiration. So first, let's talk about aerobic respiration. First point is, it takes place in the presence of oxygen. Second, complete breakdown of food occurs in aerobic respiration. Third, the end product in aerobic respiration are carbon dioxide and water. And the fourth point is, aerobic respiration produces a considerable amount of energy. Now, let's talk about anaerobic respiration. First, it takes place in the absence of oxygen. Second, partial breakdown of food occurs in anaerobic respiration. Third, the end products in anaerobic respiration may be ethanol and carbon dioxide or lactic acid. And the fourth point is, much less energy is produced in anaerobic respiration. And some organisms which use anaerobic respiration are yeast, bacteria, etc. Further, question number 9 says, how are the alveoli designed to maximize the exchange of gases? First point is, the alveoli are thin-walled and richly supplied with a network of blood vessels to facilitate exchange of gases between blood and the air filled in alveoli. Second, it has balloon-like structure, hence provide maximum surface for exchange of gases. Now, question number 10 says, what would be the consequences of deficiency of hemoglobin in our body? Answer is, due to the deficiency of hemoglobin in blood, its oxygen carrying capacity decreases, and as a result, the production of energy by oxidation will become slower. Therefore, one would fall sick and would feel fatigue most of the time. Now, question number 11 says, describe double circulation in human beings. and why it is necessary? Answer is, in our heart, blood enters twice and is also pumped out twice from the heart. The deoxygenated blood from the body is brought to the right atrium through vena cava, from where it is sent to the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, the blood is pumped to the lungs from oxygenated through the pulmonary artery. The oxygenated blood from lungs again enters to the left atrium of the heart through pulmonary veins. From the left atrium, it is sent to the left ventricle, from where this oxygenated blood is pumped to different parts of the body through the arteries. In this way, the blood flows through heart twice. That's why it is called double circulation. Further, necessity of double circulation. The right side and the left side of a human heart are useful to keep deoxygenated and oxygenated blood from mixing. This type of separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood ensures a highly efficient supply of oxygen to the body. This is useful in case of humans who constantly need energy to maintain their body temperature. Now, question number 12 says, what are the difference between the transport of materials in xylem and phloem? So first, let's talk about xylem. Xylem conducts water and dissolved minerals from roots to leaves and other parts. Second, in xylem, the transport of material takes place through vessels and trichord, which are dead tissues. Third is, in xylem, upward movement of water and dissolved mineral is mainly achieved by transpiration pull. It is caused due to suction created by evaporation of water molecules from the cell of a leaf. Now, let's talk about phloem. Here, it conducts prepared food material from leaves to other parts of the plant in dissolved form. Second, transport of material takes place through saliva tubes with the help of companion cells, which are living cells. And the third one is, in translocation, material is transferred into phloem tissues using energy from ATP. This increases the osmotic pressure that moves the material into phloem to tissues which have less pressure. So guys, here I have covered all the questions of this chapter in this video. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the questions discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For more such NCERT solutions, keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel AglaSem Schools. And do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.